First thing you need to do is when we open up the Classpass app, you'll be brought to the home screen like so. Now, you can actually search for a class clicking in the top right-hand corner just based off your location with this little address thing right here, which you can change depending on your location, or you can actually just filter it and see more classes here. You can also view classes just on the home screen like so, where you can click on a class once you find one that you are interested in. Let's just say CrossFit right here. You can actually see the classes nearby to your address like so. Once you click on your class, you can simply click on view schedule, and depending on the class, the availability will be very different. As you can see, a lot of these classes have slots open, meaning you can book like a day in advance and be perfectly okay. But all you do to book is once you find your class, you want to click on the class, and you can simply click on reserve at the very bottom of the screen, and it will take your credits off of your account. And you can add it to your calendar by clicking on add here, or invite a friend just by clicking on this here. And you can see the hours 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. or the reviews depending on the class. And that's all you need to do to reserve a class.